and Max here again. We're in Draxall, just outside the Draxall complex there in front of us, and Vista Del Mar, that gated community. We're on the road and we're heading straight into Montego Bay. Thank you so much for tuning in. As you can see, it's a bit overcast today. It's a weekday and we're trying to head on the road. Hopefully we can beat the traffic. Let's see what time it is. It is about 1:30 p.m. On the right is that Draxall shopping complex area. Yeah man, beautiful shopping center there in Draxall, here in Draxall. As you can see, there is a bit of traffic going back towards Montego Bay. There's been a lot of development in the area. Total Tools is on the right, on the left, and here's another one on the left. Look at that golden design there. Look at that gold design coming down from the roof to the, you notice we're seeing that same design on Jamaica's tallest building, that's the Pinnacle. Fruitsman here so as well. Yeah man, so we are 1 kilometer away from St. Anne's Bay. Here's the sign. Beautiful, beautiful location. This is St. Anne, is a beautiful parish. Here we are in St. Anne's Bay. So it's St. Anne is the garden parish of Jamaica. Especially if you travel to the inner parts, Brownstone, all of those areas, Alexandria, you'll see why it's a garden parish. Beautiful man. Our rest stop is right here at the Cool Oasis gas station on the left as well. Let me know where you're watching from as we go over the Negro River here. Oh. A lot of parties, you can see them being advertised. A lot of parties are being held. Kite Festival is also being held here. Well, it was held here last year in April. So a lot of activities going on in St. Anne. Beautiful. Look at the nice sea view on the right. St. Anne is a beautiful parish, man. Very beautiful. And of course, real estate in this area is going up and up and up. More expensive than even where you find in America. I'm telling you, just check the prices. More expensive than a lot of your built up places in America. Housing market in Jamaica is ridiculous. Alright. More parties being advertised. February 14 TLC party. Seville Heritage Park is in this area. And this is Prairie we're entering now. A lot of horses are on the right there. They do horseback riding, etc. Marcus Garvey. What? Oh, Beach Park. What? It's on the, wow, the sea is very rough there on the right. Again, let me know where you're watching from and who's watching this video. How is it in your country, your area in Jamaica, if you're in Jamaica? A lot of shops here on the left. Been here for ages. And you ever hear the talk about what's happening here? Prairie, this is Prairie. Prairie Pharmacy is on the right. So the pudding shop there on the right as well. Alright, remember I was telling you about this rest stop that we did the last time we came this side here in St. Ann? I was telling you about this rest stop, Shaz gas station. Very beautiful, lovely, spacious bathroom here on the right. Should I go around this truck? Is this truck giving me the signal to go around? Let's go. Alright, we made it. Some of the Chinese cars here on the billboard being advertised. Jet Tour, 13.49 million, or you can pay 160,000 Jamaican dollars per month. This one is a bit cheaper. Jet Tour, $48,000 per month. Yeah, that one is a bit cheaper. Yeah, a lot of Chinese vehicles. Wait, 48,000 per month? That's very affordable. I mean, all we need now is just, I need surety that I can get the parts for those Chinese vehicles, because I've been hearing some stories, yet to have them confirmed, but I've heard that it's very hard to get in some very important auto parts for those Jet Tour vehicles. Richmond is on the left here. A lovely community, Richmond. I believe it's gated community as well. Beautiful, man. Well manicured lawns, etc. Yeah, that's what everybody's going to know. Gated community. See another Jet Tour there, $72,000 per month, or just $6 million, under $6 million for those 2025 vehicles. Very affordable indeed. Compared to a Toyota, yes. Alright, this is Paradisiac here on the right. I wonder if I can just show you what the entrance look like. Let me see. Let me see if I can show you. This is another ultra, they determined ultra luxury, modern luxury, branded, gated community. Let's see what it looks like here. Alright, this is the entrance here on the right. Let me see if I can just turn and just show you what the front of it looks like. Paradisiac Beach Club. Look at this. Yeah, man. These beautiful places are in Jamaica. Look at the drive up here. Look at that diamond. It's a water fountain, you know. And they have diamonds on both sides. Paradisiac Beach Club. Looks like artificial grass there. Yeah, man. These are some of the beautiful locations here. Let me see if I can turn and just show you the entrance. Look at this beautiful entrance and drive up to your $1 million homes here at the Paradisiac area. Just showing you what some of these gated community here, and you want to see the prices too. Close to $1 million. I mean, and I'm talking US 400,000, US 500,000. Yeah, those are the prices for some of these beachfront. I don't even can call them home, villas. Yeah, these are some of the things that's going on here, man. Driving up the prices of real estate everywhere else in St. Ann. And all of these prices are being quoted in the US. That means they're attracting overseas buyers mainly. Alright, lovely car mark there on the right. On the road. Here's another hot spot. A lot of persons like to overtake here, so we have to be on our P's and Q's and look out here. This is what the Laughlands area. This is what I was telling you about these walker men on that clean the side of the road. See the stones? They mash and break people's windshield. So I'm saying that the government need to import some of those machines now that can take care of the lawn on the roadside. You just affix them to the tractor, and you can just run it and it just cut the grass while you're driving. Right? So this is the Laughlands Great River that we're crossing on this bridge here, under this bridge. This billboard, what is this being advertised here? Vanch. Look like that's such like another Chinese type of vehicle. Some of these Chinese, even electric vehicles are heading into Canada as well. Haven't heard any updates on what's going on there. Tour again being advertised. Again, do remember to tap that subscribe button. Tap the subscribe button below this video and you'll be locked into the Island Max YouTube channel. We're in Salem, St. Anne. Salem Resort is on the left. See a lot of construction going on here. The gas station that they were building on the right here has been damaged. Even before it is opened. So how you've been liking the content so far? Listen to me, when you watch this channel, it's like you get to know the entire Western Jamaica and beyond. We've made a couple trips. Videos have been uploaded. We've made a couple trips to Kingston as well. We haven't been to the far east yet, like Portland, St. Mary. We'd have to get a room way down in that side to shoot some videos there. Some more gated beachside properties are coming on stream to the right here, Jewel Cove area. Yeah. I think they call it Palm Bay or Palm Beach, one of them. That pothole. You have to know what we're doing here, you know. Crazy. Little Savoy guest house is out here too. Again, we have our membership going on this channel. We'll be uploading some beautiful videos, exclusive videos. So be sure to sign up as a member. Check out our channel's membership. Alright, they're advertising spaces for rent here. Coming soon. future site, some development going on. We're in Runaway Bay. Land for sale here. We want a nice piece of property in Runaway Bay. So we're leaving Runaway Bay now. That's the Bahia Principe Hotel and Resorts on the right. This is what river? Bottom River. The bridge here we're passing over the Bottom River. Just wait in line here, man. We are now entering Discovery Bay. D-Day. D-Day on D-Day. Grotto Cave is on the left. Let's go. Here's a depot for the school buses as well. See them over there on the left. About 3-4 school buses. Snacking on some Regal. Some lovely Regal biscuit. The word Regal means royal. You didn't know that? So we can say we're snacking on some royal biscuit. February 14. Live performance by Tessanchin. Puerto Seco Beach. Whoa, long time I haven't been to that beach over there on the right. Some beautiful locations in St. Anne. How narrow the roads are. Old Folly Park on the right. That's what this area is called, Old Folly. Especially up there on the left. Dry Harbor Gully is in this area. And the Dry Harbor Mountains is over there on the left. Dara. of Chinese vehicles, man. Radar, first I'm hearing about that one. That's the Dry Harbor Mountains, I believe, on the left. They were planning to do some mining here, and I believe there was some protests that they don't want to destroy this area. Because after they dig down these mountains here, they would develop, I'm sure they're going to develop. They had plans for the area, but a protest kind of delay all of that, so I don't know what's happening with this area. Look at this, Rely, another vehicle being advertised. Rely, a lot of Chinese vehicles being advertised here on this stretch. Lovely little beach house on the right there. We have some beautiful locations in Jamaica. Uh-oh, we got left behind. We got left behind. Beach is on the right. Don't worry, I know a good spot where I'll be able to get around these trucks. See the same vehicle here, Radara. If you know about these brands of vehicles, please let me know what experience you have with them in the comments. I'm yet to see anybody from China in our comment section. Or you're anywhere in the east, Thailand, anywhere in the east, please let me know that you're here in the comment section. This is Trelawney we're entering now. Alright, let's pick up the pace. I'm gonna turn off the AC. We have a four-way or two-way going up, so we're gonna make use of it. Ah, these two vehicles are traveling together. Okay. So it's to catch that truck there at the top now. Others are coming behind me. Let's see what will happen. That truck is moving, man. more trucks in our way. Alright, so that's Melia Hotel, Braco village there on the right. Club is on the right as well. So we are 7 kilometers away from Duncans, 19 from Falmouth, and 53 kilometers to go until we reach Montego Bay. Wow, my window was down all this time. I hope you heard me because of the wind, etc. See the vehicle here, that's the vehicle, the Relay vehicle I was telling you about. Relay, yes, I believe it's a Chinese vehicle. Look like they're testing it. What a coincidence. Yeah, because they just held their brakes. But let me see if I think they're coming back behind us. Wow, I need to go and look up what those vehicles. Listen, man, what a coincidence. Look how we here talking about Chinese vehicle, and the first time we see one of those Relay pickup trucks is right now when we're talking about Chinese vehicle. Everything is just lining up. Right, so that's the new Chinese vehicle. Do you like how it looks? Head to the comments and let me know. I guess they're doing an all island. I wonder if one of those Chinese companies, listen, I wonder if one of those Chinese companies can sponsor me. The police are here. They got a vehicle in a speed trap. He let him go. It's because the police. The police let go the vehicle because it was a taxi. It probably was not too far over the speed limit, so the police just let him go. Alright? So we're entering now the Duncans area. It's to the right, by the way. We're passing it. To the left. I'll keep mixing up my left and right. Duncans is to the left. Chinese vehicle is about 2 vehicles behind me. I wish it would pass me again so I can get to see it. It's an R word, I don't remember. Rely, yes, really. What I don't know the pronunciation, but it's R-E-L-Y. And it look good too, you know. Yeah, man, it look like one of those Hilux off-road looking vehicles. Speed limit here is 50 kilometers. So everybody is holding their own here. Indeed. Help us to reach a 12,000 subscriber mark. That's where we're aiming for by the end of February. So ensure that you tap that subscribe button as we inch closer to 12,000 subscribers. And tap the thumbs up button as well. Thank you so much. Our super chat is open. Yes, our super chat is open. You can send your gifts via super chat. Your gifts help us to fuel up, to get some fuel at the gas station, so we can take on the road and show you more beautiful locations in Jamaica. Thank you so much. A new car wash is there on the right, on the left. Let's go. Turn on back the AC. So we have been on the road for nearly 45 minutes. Another Total is being opened here. Total tool store. And there's one opening in Montego Bay in the Fairview area as well. It has already been opened. Alright, so the Chinese vehicle is making its way around. It's gonna pass us in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here it is. The Rally or Rely motor vehicle. I can't keep up with it, man. It's full of power. Man, that pickup is full of power, and of course the Chinese are trying to put down their stamp to show that their vehicles are powerful and reliable. So of course it probably is a bit faster than even a RAV4 or a Hilux. I mean, have a more powerful engine. And a lot of these Chinese companies, they are heavily subsidized by the People's Republic of China government. So they are very competitive in terms of the pricing. Those mountains, they are digging it down on the other side. These mountains here, yeah man, they're digging it down. It will be no more soon. All in the name of development. What's happening here? another Chinese vehicle over there on your right as well. Yeah, they're slowly putting down their foot and putting their stamp on the auto industry in Jamaica. And here's some traffic building up. What is happening in front of us now? So if you're a part of Rely or Really, those vehicles, if you're a part of the company and you want me to drive it around in Jamaica, you can reach out to me. My WhatsApp is on my channel page. I would like to drive one of those Chinese vehicles, if it's even a test drive, or if I could get one for a 3-month or a month period to test drive and to give my... Listen man, I need to have a channel where I test drive motor vehicles, you know. I'm always on the road, I know the spots. Yeah, I want to test drive one of those Chinese vehicles. Something is happening on the road here. Or they're doing some cleaning. But it seems like a vehicle is holding up the road. Oh yes, a truck is way up at the top there. Yeah, I'm getting stuffy man. It's the AC. Let me turn off the AC a bit. Better hear the sounds of outside because we're not going fast. I don't want any stones from that walker to hit me though. Stop right here on the right. Oh, the Excellence Hotel. Yes, they're planning to do some expansion over here, you know. Yeah man, I need to check it out. Excellence. Yeah, I need to check out that hotel. The police are on the road. Probably they're doing a spot check. Yeah man, the police are here. I told you something was going on. So, when we're approaching the police, it's like routine. We wind down our windows. Here's my wallet. Wind down our windows and take our time. Somebody got a ticket there. We're still in Trelawney. The Falmouth turn off is on the right. Turn left if we're going to Clarkstown, Johnsontown, Alps. We know about those areas. Stewart Town. Carrying us straight back over Litchfield, straight back into Manchester. Wow. One of these days I'm gonna take on the road past Clarkstone going straight over. The road is a bit bad now though. I don't know, I think Jamaica needs to put more urgency on the conditions of the road. Like, it's bad, man. I'm not talking the highways or the main roads, like, you know, like this one. This is all not too bad, but the roads going in the rural areas, terrible. Is it the same in other Caribbean countries? By the way, I heard that during the cold front, Cuba, they went to 0 degrees in terms of the temperature. The 0 degrees Celsius. So did it snow? Or what? I need to go and check out that news, a bit of news item about Cuba hitting freezing point. Alright, so Hague is on the left. Hague. Here's a school bus coming up the road. The next time I need to check which side the driver is on. When the buses came, the drivers were on the left because they are American buses. However, in Jamaica, we drive on the left side of the road. So it's best, it's more ideal to have the drivers on the right. Especially since you're carrying children. So some of the buses were retrofitted. Especially the doors. The doors were were shifted to the other side. It's supposed to be a lot of money to get that done. But at least we have a mode of transportation for our children. That car was on 3 wheels a while ago. We nearly went into the wrong lane. If we were going into Falmouth, we'd drive under the bridge. Gone. Look how beautiful Jamaica is, man. The mountain, the clouds, the sky, the trees, the greenery. Tap that subscribe button, man. And again, you can send your gifts via super chat. You can send your super gifts. get behind the rally truck, but I'm not sure we'll be able to. Rely? Is it Rely or Rally? I need to check that out. So we've been driving for about an hour now. So this will give you some idea of the drive from St. Anne, how long it takes to get into Montego Bay. That's the turn off for Falmouth, and the new Falmouth sign there on the right. Alright, let's see what's happening on the road here. So we're in Greenside area now of Trelawney. We're very close to the border of Trelawney and St. James. Land out here for sale, you know, in Greenside, yes. This is Salt Marsh right in now. Look at this big bump right here in the road. Whoa! You see that? And this has been like that for months now, and nobody's trying to repair that in the road there. That rally truck is long gone. Rally truck. Gone, gone, gone. Yeah, man, powerful vehicle. Who's that? Shirley Ralph, Order of Distinction. She has a billboard here. Yes. Actress, American actress Shirley Ralph. Yeah, man, she has Jamaican roots, and she was given the Order of Jamaica or Order of Distinction, one of them. Salt Marsh. And that's sheep. Yeah, those are some sheep over there on the left we just passed. This building right here, so close to the road. Land is out here, so again for sale. Another development is coming out here as well. Shops out here for rent as well. This Wiltshire is on the left. Wiltshire. Omoda. There's another Chinese vehicle. Alright, see it. We are in St. James now. Father Bull restaurant is there on the right. We are in St. James. You see the sign there saying welcome to Moby. Digital sign saying Moby is fiber optic ready. So a lot of persons just call the entire area from here going straight back to the heart of Montego Bay. They just say Montego Bay. But it's really St. James. This is Greenwood. And see on the sign, the Greenwood side, it says Greenwood St. James. Not Montego Bay. This is St. James. Here's another school bus approaching. Chevrolet. Another Chinese car being advertised, Jetour. They have spent a lot of money on advertising. You see that? The stone hit my vehicle a while ago when they are cutting the side of the road. It's a hazard and I hope the government will address that quickly. When you hit all people, aye man. See the rest stop here that we did in the last video. The rest stop is here on the right. Beautiful Ford pickup there. So we're in the Greenwood area still. So this is the Lilliput area. So they're building the new hotel here on the right. Unico Hotel. Build another massive hotel on the right here. So they start building the wall, and it will be the Moon Palace Hotel. Sea Castle is also here on the right. Footballers boarding this vehicle here. Oh, the vehicle break down. Oh dear. Oh dear. The footballers vehicle break down. So that's a Spot Valley turn off on the left. Convention Center is on the left. Wow, why did we come in this lane? What just happened? Let's switch lanes. The lane on the left is very bumpy. That's why I'm gonna keep right here. I'm gonna keep on my right. Even though the right is bumpy as well. Look how bumpy it gets here. Look at this. Look at this. It has been like this for years. Look at this. Look how bumpy it is. Look at that. It's crazy, I'm telling you. My trunk is not closed properly. Wow. Just realized that my trunk is not closed properly. gonna close my trunk. Hear the sign going off there, the alarm. It's because the road was bumpy, that's why I can't pull off here. Let me go further down. It's because the road was bumpy why I realized that the door is open. My trunk is open. Yeah. Alright, so let's pull off somewhere right here. And I'm going to go and close the trunk. Alright, let's go. So I'm in the Roadside here area, and hospital is on my left here. Private hospital. Catalonia Hotel is on the right. In the Coral Gardens area. My vehicle needs to get a line. Every time I hold the brakes, it swings to the left. It's crazy. Not just that, even when I'm driving, it swings to the left a little. So I know it needs to be aligned. That's what the potholes in Jamaica do, man. Misaligns your vehicle. We're now in Iron Shore. So they're building the new Price Mart there on the left. That's a Zoe tree on the right there. We're now in Iron Shore, and Witter Village is on the left, Burger King on the right. I'm out of snacks, almost out of water. We need to get into the heart of Montego Bay ASAP. Right, I need to check it out. Turn off for White House is on the right. Here's the school bus on the right. Switch lanes. Take on the road. Let's switch lanes. And we're now in Montego Bay. So you see the sign on the right. Sangster International Airport turnoff is on the right as well. There it is, Montego Bay. Let's take the top road. This is the Queen Drive. This is the Queen's Drive. The same building. Anybody knows what they're building here, right here on our right? Please let me know in the comment section. Also, what will be built here on our left as well. The same place where you have Hillshire Hotel on our right. Hillshire. Oh, it was the former Hillshire Hotel. So I want to know what is going on over there. These are the new Grand Vitara, Suzuki Grand Vitara here in front of us. Hybrid. Lovely. Suzuki's all grip. Should be good for terrain. Alright, there's a leak here. So gentlemen from the Water Commission are here carrying out repairs. Leaders in is here as well on the right, on the left. Oh, there has been some debris falling onto the road. These rocks here keep weathering and falling into the road, so they're cleaning up that as well. I see them cleaning up all of the side of the road here. They can't get a truck to carry the stuff because the road is so narrow, so they have to be using wheelbarrows to clear the debris. Let's go, Mr. Vitara. So this is the beautiful Montego Bay. So we have successfully reached our destination indeed. Here is bumpy on the Queen's Drive. Should be called the Peasant Drive. Oh, that pothole is getting bigger and bigger. My. You have to be driving with eyes of a hawk when you're on these roads. Look at these potholes here. Wow. Ah, see it? And one got us. A pothole got us right here. No matter how much we try to skip them, one is going to get you. And we're in the traffic now here in Montego Bay. This is what it looks like. So I'm selling some pepper shrimp here and some peanuts. Peppered shrimp, you might call them swims. Same thing. peppered shrimp, man. It's lovely. Cook them, boil them, and then cook them in pepper, onions, etc. Full of flavor. A long time I haven't eaten one. It's just because that they are so salty sometimes. Jamaicans just love, I don't know, Jamaica is a salt country. They just love salt. Like a special love for salt. Yeah. I had someone coming from Argentina coming to Jamaica. The first day they got in Jamaica, they got a headache because of how salty our cuisine is here. But guys, we've made it into Montego Bay. We've completed our mission for today. Thank you so much for sticking and staying through the almost 90 minutes of recording. We had to go through a lot of traffic, police stop, etc. But we made it here. Thank you so much for tuning in. Guys, remember our super chat feature is open. You can send your gifts via super chat. Remember to subscribe to the channel, like our videos. That's Harbour City there you're seeing. They held a party there recently. Come on down to Montego Bay. Montego Bay is open, bright and sunny and lovely. Thank you so much. We got to go. Enjoy the rest of your day. Tap on the video now, seeing on your screen. Got to go. One love.